Discussing the topic divisibility rules of 4, 8, 12. Now, by using these divisibility rules, we can do some problems. We are discussing exercise 3.7. Let's see how to solve by using these divisibility rules. Check first one. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? Let's see. First one, first bit. Here, giving 5 digits is given. So, out of 5 numbers, you can check which numbers are divisible by 4 and which number is not divisible by 4. Let us see. First one, 572. How to find 4 is divisible by 572 or not? What is the divisibility rule of 4? The given number of last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible by 4. If it is not divisible by last 2 digits, then whole number is not divisible by 4. And also, given the number having two zeros or more zeros in the last digits, so then that number also divisible by 4. Let's see. Check 572 is divisible by 4 or not first. 1 4 is 4. Remainder is 1. 17. 4 4 is 16. 16. Remainder is 1. 2. 3 4 is 12. Remainder is 0. So 143. 143. So 143 is divisible by so 4 is divisible by 572. Why? Because remainder is get 0. So 4 is divisible by 4 is 572. Let's see second one. 21084. In this sum also we have to check 4 is divisible by this number or not. Let's see. 084. No, 4. 5 times 5 4s are 20. Remainder is 1. 0. 2 2s are 8. Remainder is 2. 4. How many times? 5 2s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 6 4s are 24. So remainder is 0. So 21084 is divisible by 4. So 4 is divisible by 21084. Let's check third one. 14560. 14560. Let's see. 4 1 4. So 1450. 3 2s are 3 4s are 12. Remainder is 2. 5 6 4s are 24. Remainder is 1. 6 4 4s are 16. Remainder is 0. So here we are having 0 is there. So 0 is quotient of this given number. So how many times 14560 is divisible by 4? How many times? 3640. So in this 4650 is also divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Let's check with the fourth bit. Fourth bit is 1700 and fifth bit is 2150. 2150. Let's see. 1700 divisible by 4 or not. 4 fours are 16. Remainder is 100. Sorry, 10. 2 fours are 8. 2 20. 5 fours are 20. Remainder is 0. So 4 is divisible by 1700. How many times? 425 times. So 4 is divisible by 1700. Let's check with fifth sum. 4 is divisible or not? 4. 5 times 20. 1, 5. 3 fours are 12. Remainder is 3, 0. 7 times 7 fours are 28. Remainder is 2. So the remainder is, we did not get 0. So we did not get 0. The remainder is 2. So 2150 is not divisible by 4. 2140 is not divisible by 4. So in this first bit, which of the following numbers are divisible? First bit, which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? We are already find all the five bits. Among the all 5 bits, only fifth bit is not divisible by 4. Remaining numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 bits, all numbers are divisible by 4. So let's see. Test second bit. Test whether the following numbers are divisible by 8. Test whether the following numbers are divisible by 8 or not. Previously, you can see the given numbers are divisible by 4 or not. Now we have to find the given numbers are divisible by 8 or not. See, second one, first bit, 9, 74, second bit, 53048. Coming to third one, 5500. Let's check. 9774. 8 table. 8 is divisible by 9774 or not. Let's see. 1 8 is 8. Remaining 1 7. How many times? 2 times 16. 8 2 is 16. Remaining is 1 7. 2 2 is 16. Remaining 1 4 1 8 8. Remaining is 6. So we observe this. 6 is we did not get the 0. The remainder is not 0. So 9774 is not divisible by 8. It is not divisible by 9774. Coming to second one, 531048. Then this number is divisible by 8 or not. Let's see. 1 8 is 8. Remainder is 7 2. How many times? 9 times. 9 8 is 72. Remainder is 0. So 8 is divisible by 4152. How many times? 519 times. In this second problem, test whether the following numbers are divisible by 8. Here giving the six numbers, where we can find all the numbers. In this, only three numbers are divisible by, only 3 numbers are divisible by 8. These numbers are second one, fourth, fifth, and remaining first and third is not divisible by 8. Let's go to the third sum. Go to the third sum. Check whether the following numbers are divisible by 11. Previously we have to see what we have to see. Divisible by 8, divisible by 4, now divisible by 8. We already know the rule of divisibility rule of 8. What is divisibility rule? The sum of odd places and the sum of even places is equal to the difference between the both. This is a divisibility rule. So let's find first bit. 859484. Second one 1084. Third one 20801. Let's see divisible by 11 or not. Sum of odd places means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have to draw the one after number. Here in this. Okay. Sum of odd numbers. Odd number places. Sum of odd number places is 1 is odd, 3 is odd, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. Sum of one number after. So that means 8 plus 9 plus 8 equal to how much? 25. Sum of even number places means 5 plus 4 plus 4 equal to how much? 13. 13. Okay. The difference between both. The difference of odd and even. 25 minus 13. Answer is 2, 1. So this number is not divisible by 11. This number is 12 is, this number is not divisible by 11. So 11 is, here I am writing, Let's go to the second one. Here also same, sum of even numbers, sum of odd number places, sum of even places. Here sum of even places is 1 plus 8 plus 4 equal to 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 4 13. Even 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Difference 11. So 11 is there. 11 is divisible by 11 table. So we get the difference is 11. 11 is divisible by 10 0 8 24 is divisible by 11. Yes, absolutely divisible by 11. So 11 is divisible by 10824. Coming to third one, sum of odd numbers means one skip odd number places, even number places, one after number. 2 plus 8 plus 1 equal to 10, 9. 9 plus 2 11. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Difference 11 minus 0 something into number 11. We'll get the answer is 0. So 2080 is also divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. This third one, check whether the following numbers are divisible by 11 or not. Here giving the only three numbers is there. By using the divisibility rule method, 11 is divisible or not. In this, first one is not divisible. First number is not divisible by 11, and remaining second and third both numbers are divisible by 11. Let's see fourth one. Fourth one. Fourth one, verify whether the following numbers are divisible by 4 and by 8. Here, previously we have to see the divisibility rule of divisible by 4 individually, divisible by 8 individually, and also divisible by 11. But in this fourth bit, verify the following numbers divisible by 4 and by 8. How to check with the both numbers, both 4 and 8. Here the first bit is 2104. Second one 726352. Third one 1800. Third one 1800. Wait 1 minute. So, what is the divisibility rule of 4? First, you have to check with 4. What is the divisibility rule? Last 2 is divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible by 4. Here, 4 is there, 0 is there. 4 is divisible by 4, right? 1 4s are 4. So, this number, this is divisible by 4. Here also same. Coming to second one, last 2 digits divisible by 4, then all the whole number is divisible by 4. So, 1 4s are 4. First check last 2 digits. 1 4s are 4. Remaining is 1. How many times? 3 times. So, the whole number is also divisible by 4. Coming to third one. We all are know the, if you have any divisibility rule of the 4, last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible by 4. Or the last digit having any 2 zeros, the whole number is also divisible by 4. They are having 2 zeros is there. So, the whole number is also, it is also divisible by 4. So, now we are completed divisibility rule of 4. Now, let us check next one, divisibility of 8. What is the divisibility rule? Here also same. But divisibility rule of 4 having 2 digits. Okay, check with 2 digits. But divisibility rule of 8 having 3 digits. Check with 3 digits. So, the given number last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Then whole number is divisible by 8. And also last number having more than 2 zeros, and then whole number is also divisible by 8. So let's see. 1 8s are 8. How many remaining is how much? 2 is there. So 2 6 4s are 6 8s are 24. 1 8s are 8. Remaining is 2 4 24. 24 means how many times? 8 4s are 24. So it is divisible by 8. So it is divisible by 8. Let's check with this number. Last 3 digits. Let's see. 3 5 2 8. 3 4s sorry, yeah. Last two, I will check, I will repeat one more time this first bit. Last four digit check first, 8 or not, 8, 1 8s are 8, 24. Three 8s are 24, remaining is 0. So we will get this number is the whole number, the last digit is divisible by 8. So we will get the remainder is 0. So the whole number is also divisible by 4. So it is divisible by 8. Let's under one second bit 352. Last three digits are 352. Let's check 8. 8 4s are 32. Remaining is 3, 2. Same. How many times? And remainder is 0. So it is also divisible by 8. Coming to third one. Here we already see 8 ones, last three digits. 8 table is divisible by 8. It is 1 8s are 8. That's why divisible by 8. In this given three digits, all the three digits are divisible by 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Let's check fifth one. Fifth one. Find the smallest number that must be added to 289279 so that it is divisible by 8 or not. Find the smallest number that we added to number. Given number is 289279. If this number is divisible by 8. Find the smallest number that must be added to the given number. Here already mentioned this question. Adding the smallest number to the given number, that number is divisible by 8. Smallest number means 1. Here I am adding 289279 plus 1 equal to 289280. So what is the divisibility rule? Last three digits is divisible by 8. That whole number is also divisible by 8. That whole number is divisible by 8. So let's see. Sorry. 5 8s are 40. Remainder is 0. So the whole number is, by adding plus 1, we have to get the remainder is 0. So here we can write the smallest number is plus 1. So plus 1, if you add plus 1, we will get the 289280. This number divided by 8. You will get the this whole number is divisible by 8. So I am adding the smallest number plus 1. The smallest number is 8. Let's go with sixth sum. Find the smallest number that can be subtracted from 1965, so it becomes divisible by 4. In previously what we have to see in this fifth problem, by adding given number, that number is divisible by 8 or not. In this, the given number is 1964. In which number, which is the smallest number, you have to subtract it. That number is divisible by, check whether the 4 or not. So here are the same. 1965 minus 1. Here I am subtract the number, smallest number is minus 1. So 1964. Last two digits. Check with the last two digits. Here I want to check. 4. 1 4s are 4. 2 24. 6 4s are 24. So last two digits is divisible by 4. Then all the numbers is also divisible by 4. So the smallest number is what is minus 1. Minus 1. That's the seventh sum. All are 2 marks and 1 mark bits. This is write all the possible numbers between the 100 and 110. These that are divisible by 11. That are divisible by 11. So the numbers between the the numbers between the 1000, 1100. By using these two numbers between the which number is divisible by 11? Here I am giving the answer directly. 10, 12, 10, 23, 10, 34, 10, 45, 10, 5, 6, 10, 6, 7, 10, 7, 8, 10, 8, 9. Here these numbers is divisible by 11. Why? I am explained clearly. Here 1001 is divisible 11. Absolutely. I will explain one more clear method. 10, 1, 2, and one more 3. By adding these two digits, last two digits adding 11. For example, here adding plus 11, we will get the 23. In this same plus 11, what do we get? 34 plus 11, 45. By adding these 11 to the last two digits, that number is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11 between the 1000 to 1100. 1000 to 1100. So finally the last one. This is the last sum of this chapter. 8th one. Write the nearest number to 1240 which is divisible by 11. Write the nearest number which is divisible by, here given the number is 1240. In the nearest number, that number is divisible by 11. Here I am taking 1243. 1243 is divisible by 11. So answer is 1243. Answer is 1243. Is divisible by 11. Absolutely. Ninth sum. Ninth one. Here's the ninth sum. Write the nearest number to 105 which is divisible by 4. Which is divisible by 4. Write the which is number divisible by 4 or not. Here you can clearly observe 104. 104 is divisible by 4. So we don't need any nearest number. So we don't need. Sorry. In this question 104 not 105. 105. So 105 is the nearest number is 104. 104 is divisible by 4. How many times? 2 4s are 8. Remaining is 2. 4 4s are 16. So 24. So 104 is nearest number of the nearest number is 104. In this also, sorry. Nearest number is 1243. So we have finally completed our third chapter, playing with numbers. So hope you all are understand this topic. Tomorrow we are discussing which are